The next topic we have is the IO statements. This is one of the most important topics that we have to learn while learning the Python programming, because without knowing the IO statements and their usage in Python, we cannot write any C program. So let's see in detail. Input and output statements. First, let us see the input statement. What is a statement basically? A statement is a valid instruction ended using semicolon in C programming. Here there is no semicolon. A statement is a command given to the computer to execute a particular state or to perform some action. In Python, the input statement is a statement that is used to receive the input from the user, and the output statement is a statement that is used to display the result to the user. The input statements, the following two functions are available to read dynamic input from the keyboard. In our C programming, we have used the scanf statement to receive any kind of data. But here we have two different types of statements. We have to see the difference and we have to remember the usage properly. Now, the first one is raw underscore input. The second one is the input itself. There are two different kinds of statements available, functions available. Raw input, note that it is a function, and input. Raw input. This function always reads the data from the keyboard in the form of string format. So this is most important one we have to consider. So here, string format. Whatever the data you are entering, that will be received in string format only, always. Whether it is a numeric value, it is a float value, it is a character value or a string value, date, boolean, anything is automatically collected of type string only. To use it into our own purpose, we have to convert or typecast that value. Typecasting is used to convert the string value to specific data type. Let's see that. Example, value 2 is equal to raw input of enter the number. Here, this is the message shown to the user and the value is collected into value 2. Earlier in C programming, we used to give the message using the printf statement first. After that, we have received the value using the scanf statement. So there were two different statements prepared to read the value from the user, but here note the difference. Variable name is equal to raw input of the message. So it means that the value is received directly into this variable and the message is shown to the user while receiving the data. So once the value is received, we have to see the type. So value 2, print type. The output, if you see that, you can find. Enter the number, the value is entered as 243. Output, first print type of value of 2 will return str. Then the conversion is done. Value 2 is equal to integer of value 2. That means we have typecasted the value and stored the value in value 2. Earlier, value 2 was created as string type dynamically, and when we typecast the same value to integer, it is converted to integer. Then the value is converted to integer here. Then the input statement, the second one, the input function can be used to read data directly in our required format. No need to perform any typecasting. Example, x is equal to input of the value, the message. Here enter the value type of x. See this. Input 10, output is integer. If I input Durga, the value is converted to string type. If I enter 10.5, the value is float type. True, if I enter, it is bool type. Whereas the output statements, print is used to output the given data to the standard output device. Already we have seen this print statement earlier in our previous example itself. Print CSV branch enclosed in single quotes can be displayed on the screen. So CSV branch is a string displayed on the screen. Print is also used to display the combination of message and variable value. Whereas these two, that means a message and a value, can be combinedly displayed on the screen using the print function, but we have to use the concatenation symbol called plus, which is used in Java, not in C or C++. See, num1 is equal to 10. Here a variable is created of type integer and 10 is stored here. Then the value of the variable num1 is plus num1. So after is, this 10 is displayed. Earlier in C programming we used some percentile characters like percentile D, but here they are removed, not to get confused. So see this, the value of variable num1 is 10. So in place of after is, the num1 is displayed, the value of num1. Then we have format specifier. There is no format specifier actually available. Format is a function that is used to display the values in a neat format. So these are str.format is a function, is one of the string formatting methods in Python 3, which allows multiple substitutions and value formatting. That means plus operator can display only one value at a time within the print statement. If I want to display more than one value at a time, for example, say a plus b, the values of a, b, c in a plus b equal to 10 directly, then the our plus operator cannot support. So in that case we can go for the format specifier. This method concatenate elements within a string through positional formatting. That means using a single formatter, we have two types of formatters, single and multiple. Syntax: the braces are mentioned followed by the format followed by the value. Let us see an example, then you can get more idea. The value that we want to display on the screen can be an integer, floating point, numeric constant, string, characters, or even variables. Return type returns a formatted string with the value passed as parameter in the placeholder position. Example C: summary has dash balloons, where this dash is represented by floor braces followed by quotations close dot format of 5. That means this 5 is replaced in place of braces. That means percentile D was used in RC programming. It is similar to this particular case. Percentile D, if I represent, that 5 is replaced in this case. Similarly, one more example: x equal to 5, a variable, y equal to 10, another variable. The value of x is this and value of y is this, and formula of x comma y. Here the value of x is displayed in this location and the value of y is displayed in this location. See the output. Value of x is 5 and y is 10. So in place of this we can use this x and y. Braces. Multiple formatters. There are more than one value can be displayed at a time. Of course, just now we have seen this multiple formatter. So value 1, value 2 can be integers, floating point, numeric constants, strings, characters, and even variables. The number of values passed as parameters in format method must match with placeholders, that is the braces. Example, see, multiple placeholders in format function. My string is equal to brace and brace are science portals. My string dot format GitHub and Codecademy. This is another kind. The string variable is used with format and print is used along with that. So here the output is: hi, my name is Brace. I am Brace years old. Format of user, 19. The values passed as parameters are replaced in order of their entry. So here this is another example: GitHub and Codecademy. My string has one brace and second brace. In these places, GitHub and Codecademy are replaced for the first example. In the second example, there are two braces available. For the first brace, user is generated, and for the second brace, 19 is generated. See the output: user and 19. Similarly, this is brace dot format 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4. 4 values were specified, 4 braces are replaced. Formatters with positional and keyword arguments. 0 1 dot format position argument, keyword argument. Let us see. Position argument can be integers, floating point numeric constants, strings, characters, and even variables. Keyword argument is essentially a variable storing some value which is passed as parameter. See the example. Every brace should know the use of brace, programming, and brace. Format: programmer is for first one, open is for the second one, source is for the third one, operating system is the fourth one. Every programmer should know the use of open source programming and operating systems. Every 3, 2, 1, 0. Here 3 operating system. See the difference in the previous and the first, this one. Here all the values are replaced according to the placement, whereas here the parameter number is specified instead of empty braces. So here brace 3 means the fourth parameter. This is 0th parameter. This is the first, second, and third. So the fourth parameter is replaced in this place. Then 2 source is placed here, open is replaced over here, and programmer is replaced here. See this, every operating system should know the use of source, open, programming, and programmer. Earlier it was actually every programmer should know the use of open source programming and operating systems, but it is reversed actually. The parameters can be placed as we desired. Thank you. This is the end of our input output statements. Next we see the control statements. That is the end of the first part of our Python programming. Thank you.